What's up, everyone? This is your boy Neil Gonzalez Weather X45 Part 2 of being outside of Winter Storm Jonas that slammed so hard in the northeast coast right now. You can see that the cars, they're moving very slow. There's a police emergencies just in case. So you can see, look at that. Look at all that action. Here it comes. Wow! 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 It's already up in my feet! Look at that! This is terrible! It's white! Everything! White, white, white! Look at that! It's really hard to walk! And I don't think the salt is even helping because of this blizzard. Oh God! Jesus Christ, it's hit! This is dangerous. Wow. Wow, that snow's coming hard. See? Wow, people. The visibilities, it's like it's zero. Near zero. Wow, my hands are frigid. Frigid. Wow, Cofer in Jacksonville's strong. Cofer in Jacksonville is strong with that cold. Here it comes. Here comes the snowplows. See, they're moving very slow. Just like I said. Shit! I'm sorry I couldn't say about word. It's just that so it's hitting my face. Jeez. Shit. Here comes the strong wind. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Now let's see, how many inches is this? This is about a foot already. A foot of snow. That's a foot of snow. We reached to the foot of snow. But this is not the worst. You know what's the worst? Washington, D.C. I'm more concerned about Washington, D.C. than this. Washington, D.C., you were hit the worst. So you had like 24 inches of snow. It is frigid. We're gonna have the blizzard conditions are gonna be so bad that it's gonna be like, here comes the wind. Wow! Wow! Hope you guys liked this video, and bye. I can't take it.